Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Reno 6 Pro, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from a SIM card to the device. So to get started, you will want to open up the standalone contacts application. Now there is contacts in the dialer right here, but right here you won't find the option. So make sure you open up the standalone version right here. Now, even though you can see also contacts here, you have more options in the standalone version. Once you tap on the three bars, you can go into the settings, where at the bottom you will find import option. Once you select it, it gives you two different methods of importing your contacts. I'm just going to stick with the SIM contact, so SIM card, and this will show up with all the contacts that are on the device, or not on the device, on the SIM card. And as you can see, I already have some that are grayed out, so 4 of them. Go back quickly just to check something out. So I already have those 4 contacts right here, that's why they are grayed out. So going back, so obviously I can deselect contacts that I don't want. Phone is simply stopping me from importing contacts that already exist, so that's why they grayed out. Even if you try to enable them, as you can see, it gives you the message that it already is on your phone. So anyway, deselect contacts that you don't want, have the ones that you do want selected, select import, and this will give you the amount of contacts that have been imported, and once you go back you should be able to see them right here. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.